I got good news, CAPANO. I got real good news. I got good news on this 10,200 unemployment. I got some more information. Also, it might be better to opt out of this child tax credit when the portals are available in July, where if you have a lot of write-offs with your kids, with child care expenses and sport events, you can write off. I didn't know you can do that. Stay tuned on that. Also, Lyft and Uber doing background checks. If you haven't done rides in 4 months, stay tuned to that. And if you live in Nevada, the way to go, Mastercard's replacing the Bank of America card. That's for people with PUA and unemployment. But if you had direct deposit with PUA, just relax. There's nothing you have to do. Only if you had this card. And we're going to talk about that at the very end real quick. All right. Okay. Look, I said this before, 2.8 million has been sent out with this unemployment. If you got taxes back already from the IRS, all likelihood you're going to get money. I went on the irs.gov to see. It had my transcripts. It's a little complicated. I didn't see anything on there but a date of May 31st. I don't know what that date is. I'm assuming that's the date. It didn't show an amount. I had a relative tell me you can see how much it is. I didn't see anything. Leave your comments below if you see something. This is irs.gov to find out where your overpayment. I call it overpayment, the 10,200. So, but what I heard today I talked to somebody who worked for the IRS, and they're shorthanded, but he said more next week of single people with no kids, and then they're going to start the married people right after that, and then the week after, and then the week after. So again, right through summer. It's just going to be the luck of the draw, but we are going to get it. And then, of course, towards the end will be the paper checks. There's nothing you have to do on your part unless you want to go on to this. But remember, if you made more than 150,000 and you had one of you made a whole lot of money, but the unemployment puts you over 150, I'm telling you, I confirm that you can still get money back. So maybe you had to pay taxes because you were over. They might owe you a little bit more money on that, depending on your tax bracket. Remember, this is for people who filed their taxes back in February and before the deadline of March 11th. If you filed after that, you already got the money through the software of H&R Block or your CPA. Okay, stay tuned to my other videos after this, and I get more into detail. Child care, if you have, like I said, if you have a lot of child care expenses, it might be wiser just to wait till the end of the year and get the one lump sum of $3,600 plus more money. You know, I don't know, my kids are all grown up. You can write off a lot of things these days. Now, can you still write them off if you select the $300 a month? Yes, you can, but the CPA that I talked to says it comes out a lot more with filing the taxes. So is this something you might want to check with your CPA, your accountant on that before? So, you know, you're going to have to make that decision, though, around July, either opting out, also putting your bank account information on there for the portal, making sure all the children's names are correctly. Very important to do that. All right, Uber and Lyft. If you haven't done Uber and Lyft, I went to turn Lyft on because my neighbor's making about $500 a night. Seriously, I'm like, geez, that's pretty good money. Wouldn't let me get on. They were doing a background check. They said we have to do it on all Italians. No, just kidding. It's because I haven't done Lyft in a while. Once you go past 4 months without doing it, or 6 months, they do a background check. Can take a week, can take 3 weeks, or even a month. So, of course, I complain. So I'm just giving everybody a heads up, and they put me back on. Something to think about if you drive. This is here in Las Vegas. Now, I think a lot of people are still not ready because you still need a mask, and maybe people are just, you know, still collecting and contempt on collecting versus going out there, you know, and working or getting exposed to, you know, other germs or stuff like that. But I just wanted to bring that up to you. Don't be surprised if you don't click it on and that happens. The way to go, Mastercard, activate it when you receive it. Okay, here in Nevada, this is for Nevada. They're going to go out in July. So in July, you will receive this card, and there's nothing you have to do. You don't have to call. PUA direct deposit stays the same. All right. The reason behind is they had some fraud problems with that, and also it's cheaper to run the Mastercard versus Bank of America. All right. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and share this video and get it out on Facebook. As I work hard to get some of this information, I enjoy doing this. Don't forget to leave comments and likes on my next giveaway, so I can give out more money to you guys. I think it was at $295. So once we hit the 400, I'll be doing the contest again. All right, it's Friday night, people. Enjoy your weekend. I will be on if I hear any more news. Anyhow, say hello to somebody once in a while. Tomorrow's another day. I'll see you on my next video. Ciao.